Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. The importance of software in today's business world is immense. The function of the organization is so complicated that it is difficult to handle it without software. Accounting has now taken on a dynamic form in the accounting of all activities. And to solve this problem, accounting software has been developed. So, in this video, we will learn 1. What is accounting software? And 2. What are the benefits of accounting software? Before starting, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting. So, let's get started. What is accounting software? Accounting software is a software program that records business transactions and processes transactions within functional modules and provides the necessary information. It functions as an information accounting system. Accounting software makes it easy to keep book accounts. It is done in a few ways, including software that lets a man keep his books unfamiliar with accounting rules. Benefits of using accounting software. The importance of accounting software at the moment is enormous. Without it, you cannot think of running a business. The benefits of it cannot be overwritten. The key importance of accounting software is given below. 1. Speeding up the information recovery process. 2. Adding flexibility in the bank reconciliation process. 3. Automatically planning value-added tax and goods and services tax. 4. Save time and minimize errors. 5. Provide computerized invoice, money receipts. 6. Provide cash flow statement and profitability report. 7. Remove business complexity and 8. Perhaps most significantly, offering an ability to see the financial status of the business in real time. I think you're clear about what is accounting software. What are the benefits of accounting software? If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.